In the world of AI and cosmos research, there is much better innovative something than someone expected. Over the years, AI has helped scientists to reveal the biggest puzzles of the universe. However, when researchers had data not processed with Grok 3 and Proxima b, one of the most advanced models of AI, the results were not ordinary when the LIB was developed. Instead of everyday waiting testimony, they found that they could reduce our understanding of this distant planet. This may be the most powerful sign of Proxima b or something more amazing. Proxima b has long been a topic of discussion among scientists. Some believe that this can support life, and others claim that the state is too extreme. Despite the years of research, much about this planet is not known. Traditional methods depend on the analysis of light patterns, atmospheric creation, and wireless signals, but huge amounts of data are amazing. This includes that Grok 3. The expanded AI function can detect the patterns and ideals that human researchers can miss. Scientists predicted that this would be improved by the existing model and already known. Instead, he found something completely unexpected. The goal was simple when researchers entered data from telescopes, climate models, and wireless signal patterns that were not processed in Grok 3. It was simple to detect the ideals of other disorders that could provide climate model, water signal, or new understanding. As expected, the data found the standby model and showed potential surface conditions. But something unexpected has been a lost plan for human researchers. There was a signal that did not maintain horizontal due to well-known planetary behavior, which is strange that alien planets have never seen before. That Grok 3 immediately found anxiety. He found a repeated template that first looks like a common space noise in the framework of Proxima b's light discharge. But in a close review, scientists realized that the signal was generally random. They followed the exact mathematical structure, which is generally not essentially found without clear major causes. This discovery justified a deeper investigation, but it seemed more surprising. The AI found an anomaly, which contradicted the existing model of the alien planet. Proxima b believed that it had a sharp and unstable environment, but Grok 3 confirmed the abnormally structured patterns in the atmosphere. It seemed as if the Earth's atmosphere was an unprecedented way of explaining the geological or weather process. The result was deep. If this is natural, it can mean a completely new form of atmospheric behavior, which has never been observed in the alien planet before. This phenomenon is so unusual that we can reduce our understanding of planet evolution. But there was another opportunity and much more amazing. What should I do if this template doesn't have the results of natural power at all? What if there is anything else? What is the phenomenon that acted as if he was developed by the origin of origin? Can this be the first real clue that something unusual is happening in Proxima b? What can be behind this? Grok 3 discovery is open for 3 possible explanations, and each is more interesting than the last. The first opportunity is that Proxima b can pass a completely new weighting process. Scientists previously observed abnormal weather conditions on alien planets, but nothing of that kind has been recorded. If the signal found by the 3-barrel in the air activity can show the climatic function of Proxima b under completely unique conditions, unlike everything that can be seen in other places in the universe, this will not only challenge the modern model, but also remind the researchers who determine the possibility of the Earth's residence. The second opportunity includes geological anomalies, unlike everything you can see in the solar system. Proxima b is an Earth, which is constantly bombed by intensive radiation of parent stars, which can greatly affect superficial and atmospheric conditions. According to some scientific theories, alien planets can be formed by extreme volcanic activity, which dramatically changes the landscape by ejecting breeds and gases with melted eruptions. Others suggest that powerful magnetic fields can interact with particles that are loaded from the stars to create an unusual energy pattern. If the mysterious light discharge found in Grok 3 is actually associated with this force, this can indicate an entirely new kind of global geological class that challenges the current understanding of how the planet develops in extreme conditions. Nevertheless, even this interesting explanation raises more questions than the answer. What is the mechanism that supports such geological activities? Can this environment support exotic life? Or are we witnessing a phenomenon that we have never met before in space? Then there is a third and probably the most controversial opportunity. What happens if these signals are not generally caused by natural processes? What if the structured pattern deliberately provided? For many years, scientists have reflected the existence of advanced civilization. If there is an alien civilization, they can leave signs of control of the technical signature that suggests their existence. This allows you to try the form of large-scale artificial structure, abnormal energy emissions, or communication. But what happens if we just find such a hint by chance? Can that Rock 3 find the first real evidence of high-end intelligence outside the Earth? This discovery raises deep questions. If that is a natural space event, why did we observe that before? And if this is not natural, who or what can be responsible? The result is huge, and the scientific community has no choice but other than investigating further surveys. As a result, the main observation decks around the world are already reinforcing the most powerful telescopes to focus on Proxima b, an alien planet in the center of this mystery. The research group gathers to prepare thorough research on each piece with unprecedented accuracy. Can it be a moment when humanity was waiting for the first untouched sign that we were not alone in the universe? And the following is the most amazing scientist who can confirm the opening of Grok 3 as a result of revolutionary. His detection was the best priority to researchers. His ideals can change our understanding of aliens, but more data is required before drawing the final conclusion. The next step is to strengthen the most advanced telescope in Proxima b. James Webb Space Telescope will now assign observation time for more detailed research on the atmosphere with several advanced observations of alien planets. This tool analyzes specific gas, temperature, and lighting vibration changes to identify or refute the results of Grok 3. Meanwhile, astronomers use new signal detection algorithms developed specifically for cross-test AI results. If Grok 3 or higher is real, these updated methods should be identified independently. And if this happens, this can be marked as the first realistic groundbreaking thing to find a life outside the Earth. But the result is just beyond Proxima b. Scientists now plan to clarify the AI model and apply similar signals by applying them to other alien planets. If multiple planets show the same system, they will not provide a universal natural process, but the natural process has not been detected before. But why is it the only planet that shows this anomaly of Proxima b raised greater questions? What distinguishes this world from all others we have studied? And if it is artificial, what if we answer? Grok 3 found that in Proxima b, no one expected structured patterns from bright emissions. Currently, scientists are competing over time to reveal the truth. Can this be a completely explained natural phenomenon outside the realm of geological or atmospheric process? Or is it much deeper to suggest our own intelligence? If this discovery is held, it may be the most unbearable hint, but in finding alien life. And through the next generation AI model and ultra-agent telescope on the internet, we can stand just before the new space research era. Imagine that if Grok 3 can find this more than now, the future of AI can be revealed. Do you expect Proxima b to hide abnormal technology and the right technology will reveal the secret?